Hello, my students. Hello, grade 3. This is Ms. Shurooq, social studies teacher. Today, we will start with chapter number 5, the first lesson. Energy is special. The title of the lesson is Energy is Special. Let's start the lesson. We will talk about energy. What is the meaning of energy? What is energy? Energy is the ability of doing things or supplying power. This is the meaning of energy. Again, is the ability of doing things or supplying power. There are many types of energy. For example, mechanical energy and solar energy, the energy that we can get from the sun. Okay? Mechanical energy and solar energy, the energy that we can get from the sun. Okay, body energy. When you move, when you walk, when you talk, when you play, this is energy. Nuclear power and fossil fuels such as coal, natural gas, and oil. We call them fossil fuels. Where do we get our energy from? Okay, we can get energy from fossil fuels, from the sun, from solar energy, and from nuclear power, and from the wind, we call it wind energy, and from the water, we call it water energy. When the wind is moving, we can use the energy from the wind. When the water is moving, we can use the energy from the water when it's moving. Okay? The sun gives us energy. The heat of the sun is energy too. Fossil fuels like oil, natural gas, and coal, when we burn them, we can get energy from them. Okay, during the day, the sun gives out light and heat energy. Okay, so the light from the sun and the heat from the sun is energy too. Okay, now look at the street and look at the lights in the street. At night, street lamps use electrical energy to light our ways, to light our way. When we drive our cars at night, it's very important to have lights, okay? So street lamps use electrical energy to light our ways, so we can see at night. Okay, now look at these pictures. Okay, energy powers our cars, trains, and planes. Okay? Okay, so energy powers our cars, trains, and planes. So our cars can go from one place to another by using energy, by using oil or petrol. When we fill our cars with petrol or with oil, so our cars will go. Okay, the same thing for trains, the same thing for planes, as you see here in this picture. Okay, energy warms our homes, cooks our food, and gives us pictures on television. Okay, so without energy, we cannot use all of these. Without electricity, we cannot use all of these. So energy is important to let all of these things work. Okay? So energy warms our homes, cooks our food, and gives us pictures on TV or in television. Okay, now look at this picture. Okay, energy powers machinery in factories and tractors on a farm. So energy is very important to let all of the machines work, okay, in the factories. So it's very important, energy is very important to let all of the machines in factories work, and the tractors on a farm. Without energy, they will not work. We need energy to let all of these machines and tractors, to let them work. Without energy, they will not work. Okay, imagine our life without energy. Without energy, what happened? No TV. Without energy, you cannot get out of your bed in the morning because you don't have energy to walk, you don't have energy to move, you don't have energy to talk, to run, to play. So without energy you cannot go out of your bed in the morning, you cannot go even to your school. Without energy, light bulbs cannot glow. And without energy, your computer cannot work too. Even your phone, your iPads, they will not work without energy. Okay? So our life will be very hard without energy. It will be a very difficult life without energy. So energy makes our life easy. Now let's talk about fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are oil, coal, and natural gas. Let's see them. Fossil fuels, gas or natural gas, oil, and coal. All three were formed many hundreds of millions of years ago. We get them, gas, oil, and natural gas, and we found them from millions of years ago. We obtained them or we took them from under the ground, okay, especially the oil and the coal. We get them from under the ground. Most of our energy, about 85%, comes from fossil fuels. So the energy that we use in our life, we can get energy from gas, from oil, and from coal. Okay, we use 85% of them. Okay, and most of our energy, about 85%, the energy that we use, 85%, the energy from the energy that we use in our life comes from fossil fuels. The fossil fuels are gas, oil, and coal. Okay, here are they. Let's talk about electricity now. Without electricity, our life will be very difficult. So, different devices need electricity in order to work. Without electricity, all of these devices will not work. Okay? For example, the TV, the air conditions, they will not work without electricity. Okay? Okay, guys, this is our lesson for today. Thank you so much for listening. Study well, have a great day, and goodbye.